Here we are, guys, on the delivery trail. I'm not drinking rum today. Not today anyway. We are with beautiful Sashana. See your eyes? You have pretty eyes, don't you?
Hi.
Yeah. So we have a whole lot of packages for her. And guess what? Sashana is not even a member yet. What are you waiting on?
I'm going to join.
You're going to join now?
Yeah.
You should.
Definitely.
Because you have the mother load. Stop using your friend account. Why do you do that? Just that.
I was testing you guys out first.
Okay, so you like it?
Yeah.
You like that I run come right at your foot with it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have a nice car too.
That's what?
You have a nice car too. I like the car.
Oh. She like my car. Oh. Well, it's honest. Remember, I should tell you, when you're joining this year, since Platinum Day, you need to be a Platinum member. Okay. Now, Platinum membership is free. So when you sign up, just click the button for Platinum membership. What that does is give you four free shipping for the year.
Okay.
You love that?
Yeah.
So that's on me. Just because you like my car, just because you like my car, I give it her for you. Easily. I'll pay for the shipping for you. You hear that? I would. Anything you want to say to me?
Thank you so much. It's appreciated. I'm not stressed you out with like the addresses.
Yeah.
But thank you so much.
That's fine. It's the nature of the beast. But in the meantime, you can give me a Malta. You can take a Malta. I'm not having any alcohol yet. But this is already can be delivered. Thanks much. Bye.